I don't know the model name of this fan. It is a Hampton Bay, because it does have Hampton Bay chains, so I think it is a Hampton Bay, unless if the chains were added. I tried asking in the groups what it is, if anyone knew, but nobody knew. So if any of you know, please let me know. But anyways, this is my bedroom. The one at the Hunter Augusta is my mom's bedroom. And with the Straffords, that's my grandma and my aunt's room. So I'll just get up here now and set it on medium. Does have a bit of a wobble. Here's high speed. Blows a good amount of air.